My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friend. In this video I'm going to show you the live price predictions of the Ankr coin. What's the prices goes in the Ankr network at this time, and what is the next target of Ankr coin in the future. A lot of people ask me that what is the best time of Ankr coin and why when the pumping when the jump of the Ankr coin are coming soon. So in this video I will show you the all thing. So before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now friends, let's check it out the price prediction of the Ankr coin. After that, according to the price predictions of the last 1 hour and last 2 hour, last one day, we decide that what's the next plan of the Ankr coin. As you can see here, unbelievable change, unbelievable. That next target of the Ankr coin as a very clear for all of you. As you can see here, now if we look the current price predictions, the last one day price prediction tell us. So let's see the price prediction of last one day. The change occur in the last one day and Ankr network is positive 12.11% change occur in Ankr coin, and the high price of Ankr coin is about $0.1778 USD dollar is the high price of Ankr coin in the last one day, friends. Now friends, from the graph it is clear for all of us that what's going next in Ankr coin. If we look at here, the fast occur in Ankr coin, as you can see here, continuously fast occur in Ankr coin. Now it's time to explode, friends. Now let's zoom it and let's check it out the price prediction. As you can see here, the jumping and the explosion time of the Ankr coin starts now. That is the period to hold Ankr coin, that is the period to buy an Ankr coin at this time. That is the best time to buy Ankr coin and make a good amount of profit, because in the starting of explosion starts now. Ankr coin start jumping at this time, now in the jumping time of the Ankr coin. So what's going next, it is clear for all of you that the big explosion, the big pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon. As you can see here, the graph are now in the explosion. The last 1 hour price prediction is are fully in the explosion. Now let's see the current status of the Ankr coin in the crypto market. What's going in the crypto market at the time. As you can see here, as I told you in the start that it's time to explode a Ankr coin. It's the explosion time, and the future is also in the explosion time of the Ankr coin. As you can see, the last 1 hour change is positive 8.99%, and the price is also good. 0.1789 USD dollar is the high price of Ankr coin in the last 1 hour, friends. So what's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.